What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 2 easy ways to earn money, PayPal money, online without even doing any surveys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you guys some jam-packed information. And of course, I always give a ton of value so you guys can implement what you learn watching my videos. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Excited to have you here. Happy to have you here. And become a part of the family by subscribing, like, and turn on that bell notification. Also in the comments area, make sure that you let me know where you're watching this from and if this video helps you in any way, shape, or form. All right. And on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just to become better at life, and also about affiliate marketing as well, because I love affiliate marketing. That's my passion, and that's where I plant my flag because it's super easy and it's a lot of fun. All right, so I'm going to jump into things right away because I don't want to waste too much of your time. So the very first website that I have right here is called Microworkers, right? And what Microworker is basically it's like little tasks that you can do that you can earn money from, right? So you can do like data entry, you could do like quick transcription, research, right? And the good thing about this specific website, right, it is worldwide, it is international. So if you look on here, they have like, some information that you can read through. So feel free to go on microworkers.com and you could click on here, you could register for it, right? You can put like your name, your middle name, whatever it is, all the information, date of birth. And as you can see, you can select your country and it is international. So you guys definitely can sign up for this and start to make money right away. All right. So how do they do it? They pay like every Sunday and every Wednesday. So Wednesday and Sunday, you get paid. And once you earn up to $9, you can cash out using PayPal, right? So it will take about like 72 hours when you do your withdrawals. So that's how it works. So you're going to be able to make some money. Is this going to be some life-changing opportunity? Absolutely not. But it's a good way how you can generate a little bit of income here and there while, maybe you finish work or you have some time in the day. You can come on here and do some Microworkers. All right. So the next website, and the good thing is you don't even have to do any surveys or whatsoever, right? The next website is called Golance.com. I was researching this website and it seems pretty awesome. Why? Because you can go on here and they make things easy for you. So you could sign up, and how it works, right? You can post a job. So if you post a job on Golance, so it's like a forum. You post a job on there, and you'll be provided with a list of recommended candidates, as you can see here, based on the skill and the compensation. So invite freelancers to apply, right? Set a milestone to, or hire by the hour. So if you go through here, right, they do, you get paid through PayPal as well. So PayPal, and also, different ways how you can get started. So let me see if I can click on the sign up button. So if I click on sign up now, right, if you want to become like a freelancer, you could sign up and you could get right in. How it works, let me click on it. They have like a video that you guys can watch as well, right? So if you click on here where it says freelancers, you put your best foot forward by filling out the Golance profile. All that information is listed here. Search and apply for jobs. So basically, you're gonna go on there and see what works for you. So they have odd jobs that you can do and you could make money right away. So do the work and you get paid. And if you're contracted is hourly, you get paid weekly. So this is pretty awesome. So without doing any surveys and all that kind of stuff, these 2 websites are easy way to earn money, especially using PayPal. So you can get some PayPal money and you can earn some money on here. So also, if you guys looking for my #1 recommendation, you know where to find it in the description below. Sign up and make sure you guys be a part of the family. All right. So I hope this video helps. somebody out there and immediately just start taking action. All right. My name is Andre. It's your boy. Have a great day and peace.